So good morning everyone, hope you did sleep well, and today right now we are looking on the charts. First, what I want to say is basically on VOP. So good morning on my side, hope you can go and use well. And today right now we are looking on the charts. First, what I want to say is basically you can use 7 days trial for free. You can go and basically be with me every day on the trades VIP right now, and you have 7 days trial on TradingStrategies. As you can see, so here we got ourselves 7 days trial for free reviews, and basically be with me every day. This is such a positive impact that you have 7 days trial on. If you wanna come, as you can see, free. So here we got ourselves. You have in the chat this link, reviews, and basically not hesitate to use such a positive impact that. Anyway, let's just move on with our trading. If you wanna come over Forex Factory, so Forex Factory, for example, we had at 8 AM. So basically, that's why I was a little bit late, 10-15 minutes, because I want to see after 10-15 minutes after news to see how the movement is going. Right now, I can see that Forex Factory, for example, GBP is down and euro is going up. That's why I was a little bit late, 10-15 minutes, because I would love to look for this 10-15 minutes after news to see how above. We will see, maybe we will now reject it on this GBP is down and euro is going up. If not, we will push above to this. I would love to look for this 10-15 minutes after. So you will have in my, we will see, maybe we will now reject it on this 7 days trial with VIP, or you can join up. If not, free push above which this I would love to look for the same 10-15 minutes after. But so you will have in my, we will see, maybe we will now reject it on this 7 days trial. So basically you can join up and be there. Do not hesitate. I would love to look for the same 10-15 minutes after. But so just for a second to see, maybe we will now reject it on this 7 days trial. So basically you can go inside my Discord and be there. And you know, do not hesitate. I would love to look for the same 10-15 minutes after. But so just for a second to see, maybe we will now reject it on this. Sorry, Andre just sent me. Andre just sent me that I'm hearing myself twice. I mean, he hear me twice on my live. So basically, the reason why it's because I didn't mute my live. I'm watching chat, so maybe that's why. Sorry for that. So right now we can see that we managed to break down and make market structure shift to bearish. But it just went like little bit down. What I'm looking for is first to sweep Asian low, because this is Asian low, and then to move above. On euro we can anticipate it. Just a second. Yeah, we can go because it's going like bullish, and we can see clearly that we have order block here. I usually use order block from so when you are using order block, just a second to move this. When you are using order block, you can use on different type for example, you can use like this order block, or you can use order block, so your entry can be like this, something like this, or your entry can be something like this from body candle, which is basically, you can use it like, I don't have lines, but you can use it, for example, 100%, 75%, 50%, or 50% of the body. But I use only body, like top of the body. So it depends which one you like and which one you more find better suits to your strategy. And basically that's it, nothing else matters, just so you can know that this suits your strategy. So we can see that we are breaking this fair value gap, and now you can see that this fair value gap just became inversion gap once we break above and close above, which will be retesting and then pushing more up. It all depends what strategy you use, but anyway, I will just be looking euro and GBP, and we have NAS pushing above. This is market structure shift. US30 we swept high, but our market structure shift it's very low, so one thing is gonna happen, it's gonna push more up and leave a great market structure shift behind. But anyway, that's it for now. I will just wait So as we can see, we are close to Asian high, but GBP is still not, it still didn't break FVG, so we'll wait for this confirmation. Otherwise it will go down to this Asian low, which is our main point, my main goal, to first take this and then push up. Would be great if he did that, but you never know what's gonna do. So let's just see and hear. So right now I'm sharing my post on Instagram, and just to see what people come or what people will go with. Just a second. So just to let you guys know, I am doing VSL, which is basically sales pitch for Whoop, and it's so it's not annoying, but you will see me first time like talking to camera, and I'm learning Adobe After Effects, so I will need to edit it everything because it's too expensive. Like for just one video of 1 minute, I will need to pay some guy like 1.5k or something around that just to get like VSL video, which is nuts. So I started myself journey to learn that too, and basically I'm learning that too. So it's kind of, it's hard. Like I go step by step, but it's not that hard, but too many details are included inside of that video. It will be just like words that are important and some animations. So to be honest, I don't know if that's gonna be good, but I will do my best, and you can judge through, I will place in Discord to see if you guys like it or not. If you don't, I will just not remove, but just adjust something new to it. So okay, so we have new market structure shift on our Nasdaq. Let's see on 4 hour where Nasdaq is going. So Nasdaq is just pushing, but I think we can manage. If we get a sell, we can manage to get through here to this fair value gap, and we are basically just in 4 hour FVG, so, and we can push down more. Anyway, let's go to 5-minute euro. So euro did not take high yet, but this fair value gap is pretty strong. I don't know how, but anyway, let's just move on and watch. Come on guys, ask any questions you got. And one thing more, I just bought this. So this is kind of what I'm doing in my free time, and it's killing me because I do not want to be influencer, but anyway, I bought a mic that's basically for a good quality. For example, I bought these two, which are basically like best thing you can do for cheap, not cheap, but still good quality for good money. And I bought that just because when I'm filming something, I don't want people to have a bad listening to me or something like that, because eventually like everybody will be hating. But anyway, just got that and we'll move on with it. I will be using it for VSL. Yep. So just a second. Okay, sorry. So we pushed above, and you will see it now because this was bearish fair value gap, now becomes inversion fair value gap. I do not use inversion fair value gaps on 5 minutes because usually they use on 1 minute time frame because it's quick, fast, and nothing too much like major. But on 5 minutes you cannot use that. I will just mark this market structure shift. Yesterday we had pretty good trades. I did not take this one on EURUSD, which the reason why I didn't take is because it was like no fair value gap. Yes, I could take from this, and as you guys can see I marked it, but I didn't want to risk it because basically it's not my style. I'm not sticking to my plan. And then we had this pretty big boy, just a second, not this big, this was just explanation. So 2.2, I mean sorry, it was 2.5 something like, yeah, 2.5, and it was trade like this. Basically I could use it like twice, but again it's not my plan. The reason why I didn't want to use it because I saw this week and I did not like it. That's first. Second, as you guys can see, we had equal highs and then we broke down. This is basically market structure shift, and sometimes it will be like this, that it will reverse, but usually when I get market structure shift to downside, I just don't enter, or I just leave my trade or exit my trade, because eventually it can easily eat your profit. So I did not enter my trade, nor I was in this trade. So basically that's it, but eventually, as you guys can see, it hit my TP. US 30 was nothing, so nothing major. We can say that GBP was just bullish, and that's it. And right now it's same thing, bullish. So we did not close above, we closed equal. Okay, let's see USD, well, it's not in the same, so they're not in correlations. So that's it. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to ask, do not hesitate, and basically that's it. I don't know what else to do through live, because like it's hard to talk to myself, or I don't know what to explain because I don't know what people want me to explain. So that's one reason. So do you mean like investing in crypto or day trading crypto? Okay, so first, investing super great. You can easily make much more money, but the reason what happens with people when they are especially when they are not day traders or someone who trade, for example, anything, stocks, futures, I don't know, forex, anything, they will get addicted to it. So how that works, and I had the same problem, but if you want, you can learn, you can read a book, Power of Bad Habits, or no, sorry, I think, or it is Power, yeah, sorry, Power of Habits, not Bad Habits, sorry. So Power of Habits will teach you about Q. Q is basically when something occur in your mind and you must to do it. It's more complicated of that, but it will happen. So what will happen with your body and with your mind, it's gonna happen something like this. You placed your investment into Binance or into Coinbase, and you will perfectly like, okay, you place it, and because you just don't know how to use your mind for it, you will just always every day or every hour looking, because you're not addicted to that money, but you're connected to that money. And I understand that you will like just always look at Binance app or some other app, and it's gonna come more and more difficult for you to like manage your emotions. That's why I'm saying you need to invest money, invest little bit of money just to feel the first hit, but eventually you will just get more and more addicted to it, which is not good, and I do not recommend that. If you never did invest, just invest money you are feeling sure to lose and to never look it again. It's nothing like you're stupid or something like that if you do get so like watching every minute your phone or something like that. It's totally okay. I had it, everyone have had that time, but you need to learn about your habits. And second, about day trading. So I'm in investing, so and I'm okay with it, but with with day trading, it's kind of, I don't want to say stupid because people are making a shit ton of like money with it, but you have someone called Elon Musk. So basically, you have someone called Elon Musk, and when he says, "Good morning, my people," with Bitcoin would skyrocket like many money up. Even I think even more than 100K. But same thing is with trading alt like other coins, for example, meme coins, etc. It's basically a gambling. I don't want to say gambling because people say same thing about trading, but with trading like forex, you only know that news are coming out and you know you should not be trading that kind of day. With crypto, you don't know. Like some post on Reddit would just go viral because Elon Musk said so, and that's it. Like I don't want to be asshole, but that's gambling. Because from someone you get one word and your balance is just going to zero. I don't know what you guys think, so you can share your opinion, but it's kind of ugly. Because I don't know how, but somehow when he says like dodge or share a picture of Shiba, like both coins just pumped so many numbers up. For example, especially Shiba. Yeah, it's too much decentralized because you cannot get like tell me that, for example, on this chart you buy here and it goes up. You cannot say me because of news, you know how news will pump. You don't know because even the market movers don't know. Just the reason behind that is stupid. So you can gamble, like put $50 and place the full bet, and maybe you will get, I don't know how much. For example, let's see, you place it here and you place it here with on 500, and basically if you put 0.5 you will get you so for example like this, so 505 you will get like 250, or if you put 1 you will get 500. Depends on how much you can put on $50. So, or 100, let's say you put 100 and you can put 1, so you will get a 500, for example. But this is pure gambling. You don't want to do that or do anything similar to that. Andrea, yesterday I played 2 games of League of Legends, and to be honest, I felt so triggered when some Nautilus was playing because he was so aggressive. Like first level, they got second level, and he was smashing Q inside of them. Like why? I can only see like just this order block, but it's tapped. So once you don't, so once it's tapped, you don't want to use that order block, because just look at the, for example, if you have a broken windshield, you will not like hit it again because it will get broke. Same thing as this. Once it's hit, second maybe like broke the glass. So same thing with order block. First it was tapped on body and then move up. So if it gets tapped again, it's not gonna work. And second, we did not take Asian low. Okay, we did on 200, but that 200 it's same thing as Asian range, so I'm waiting still for sweep. But right now I'm okay with euro, which looks great. Anyway, we pushed down, like we closed under, and we are in basically an order block. Otherwise I want to see it goes up here, or it just make MarketStrategy shift right here to see like, but big wick. So what the fuck, I just lost my symbols. Just a second. Let's just put USDX. Okay. For some reason I just lost immediately, like you can have this entry, but I would not recommend because it tapped. So no, it's not safe. I would not recommend it. If did get sweep Asian low and move up, that would be like good, but if because it didn't, so no. Yeah, especially do not rush it. Like that's why you cannot, for example, go into trading with $500, but you don't have money outside of trading. For example, I have money outside of trading. I had my personal account, now it's not more personal, I am using it, and you can use usually money from every account, but I do not need that money, this $500, and I do not rush my trade. That's behind mentality. So if you don't have money and you place in your brokerage account $500 and think you can come with me and just move on, for example, trade with me to get more money, you will not get more money for sure. I can put my head on guillotine and you will lose your money because your mindset shifts so big into losing mindset, not a losing mindset but greed mindset. For example, I had really bad day. So when I was a kid with 18 years and I started to trading, and I had in my bank account about 12.5k, and I started trading, and I was going to college basically. And what happened, I was thinking, oh, I learned everything I need to know, let's go in. I didn't know about ICT, just to be clear, and I just like lose it all of it, like just all of it in basically 2-3 hours. I did not know about leverage in my defense, but it's not defense, it's stupid. So basically what happened that day, I lost around 10k, so I was left on 2.5k, and I did not trade anymore. I trade demo, but that day I could not sleep. I wanted to cry, but I did not get any tears or anything inside of me to go out. I was hungry, my stomach was like crawling, and I did not I couldn't just it's so basically frustrating. You just get blocked in your mind, and that's what happened with me. So after that, I was on the one reason that helped me a lot is basically because that I was on demo account around 6 months or 7 months, even more, and I was like demo trading but live, not FX replay or something like that, because I didn't know about FX replay, and that is what helped me a lot, and I'm thankful for that now. Before I wasn't, so it's kind of killing me. But after that, 1 year after, I made back that profits. After trading on demo, I went live with $500, and I was just grinding, and I found some risk management strategy that I'm using right now, and basically it helped me to improve and to not lose that much money anymore. So it's big game for trading. You can easily make money, but in which state, like which you need to be in the right state with your mind. Psychology is like everything, and risk management is same thing. Like it needs to be first risk management, then psychology, because with risk management, every time you lose, your psychology will get worse, but your risk, it's gonna keep your balance away from blowing up. But do not trade like thinking about trading, for example, starting with $500 and thinking you can trade to 100k. Yes, you can, but you need a big dedication for that. Even I can have a problems with it, and I am fully aware of that. So you need to know about it more than you think you know. When like right now, when I'm remembering everything, it was kind of all like with lessons. It's nothing like just like it happens like that. It's everything was lesson, like. So that's what I'm grateful for trading. It gave me very much a freedom, which I know you guys wanted, and I mean you want to have a freedom, and that's okay. Like everyone wants. You can read my story inside my Discord about it. Like I was working as a barman. It was a good pay. For example, every month I would get around 2000 euros because of stimulations and everything. You have like bonuses, etc. So it will get around 2000 euros, and that was a great payout. But the freedom that I have, it's only free 2 days in a week, and tell me what you can do with 2 days. Nothing. And I hate the most people coming inside my coffee shop and basically telling me how to do a coffee. Like, oh, I will die. But anyway, that's why I'm now doing coffee for myself, and nobody is gonna tell me my coffee is bad. So yeah, let's move on trading more. So for example, US 30, it's kind of reversing. We have here market structure shift because we managed to make higher high. So that's the answer I was avoiding many years, but I mean it was like past years, so I can say without crying. But anyway, when I had 16 years old, like when I was 16, I had that one friend. So basically, I was in my story, I just took that out because I didn't want to mention. So in my like prime years of like youngest, trying to get money, make money with my two friends, we were like trying to make money, and of that two friends, one got killed in a car accident with only 17 years old, and that one guy took me to trading. And sorry, it's kind of hard to speak, but he took me to trading. He said you need to go for trading and everything. I was trying to do drop shipping, but in my country it's difficult because you need to have firm, and I'm like 16 years old and he was older, and with 17 he died in a car accident because some of his, let's call it a friends, was on under alcohol or drug. I think it was drug, and they smashed into tree, which eventually they got out with everything by but like medical people did not watch around him because I don't know, he was saying he felt good, everything was okay, but they need anyway to check the person, and he got like inner blood in his brain, which was deadly, and eventually he died to the hospital. And basically the reason why I stick to trading, no matter how much I did lose, I was saying that I need to stick because of him, so I stick to it, and right now I'm doing his job because he loved that, and he was like so great. Even like with 6 months of trading, he was on live. After 4 months he was on live and doing everything I'm doing right, making money. So that's the one reason why I'm here to trade, just because of him and his story. I will not talk about him anymore, but it's kind of the reason why I'm trading right now, and thanks to him I became profitable. It's all good. Anyway, somebody else would ask the same question maybe, so it's all good. So right now I am looking EURUSD, which got this market structure shift, which is great. Right now we have a big push downside, so let's see what we get here. We have a market structure shift if we close under, but I want to see fair value gap. That's great. Right now US 30, right? It's looking great. Good morning, Sethko. So right now the US 30 looks great, but we will see the rest. I can only see that we are rejecting every time it's gonna happen market structure shift, so it's not the best way. So guys, just before we get into it, feel free to come to my Discord. You can use trading journal for yourself. Basically you can download it for free. You have about membership offers, what I'm offering, and you have about shitty pro firms that you need to learn, because you do not want to trade a prop firm that's shitty. And I am placing a job offers for my Discord community or for my website. This is right now an affiliate link which I'm giving about 80% of my profits if somebody brings someone inside of trading, and you can use it for yourself. And you have my story, my socials and rules. So we managed to get something like this. When you come to our Discord, you want to first click get verified, and as you can see, Kiko here said that just because of the bots and fake accounts, so we added a bot for verification, so we know that you are legit, no scams, nothing. So feel free to use Discord. It's in my description, and do not feel so just feel free to come here and ask questions you want, or we can go all together into live and chatting. So feel free to come inside my Discord. It's totally free, so do not hesitate. There are other paths that you need to pay, but you don't need to pay for a free Discord. So right now we are on 269 subscribers, so thank you for that. And we have around 4,453 views on one of the video about broker, which I'm glad that you like it. Sesko, are you at work today or you are free today? So Andrea, now with your question about OBs, I mean order blocks, you will see what's happening, but before I want to see euro happen first, but you can see that it's gonna go down eventually. So our trade would be something like this if we did get to this order block, for example, and let's see how this will go, but I'm not gonna take something like that. This is the great market structure shift if we close under, but we have here order block, fair value gap, which is our problem. I want to disrespect this fair value gap and just move down and come up into our fair value gap to go more down. So let's see. As you can see, we immediately pushed above, which will be closing this kind of fair value gap, and here we have nothing. Okay, so it's gonna leave us something. I would love to see consolidation, then coming back. Consolidation 5 minutes looks something like this, something like this. So basically just few candlesticks not going above, or just bringing out, like you can see this, for example. So this is a little consolidation on 5 minutes, and that's what I want to see here. So basically from this point to this point, I want to see consolidation and then tapping and just going down. But I will need to first watch if this candle closes. And it's gonna look great. It's still 3 minutes. I'm not gonna enter yet, but I will prepare something like this. So 2.5. I would love to get to this level of 50%. With fair value gaps, it's something unusual with them. When it gets to 50%, and if we like disrespect 50% once and you go for second, it's same as order block, which is great thing to do. It can bounce once, but second time I don't think it will ever bounce first, and that's why I place my entry at really at start of fair value gap, just because the second time if hits the 50%, it will just bounce more. So if it hits one more time and I'm inside of that entry, and eventually after it's gonna come back and hit again, then it will just bounce back. So right now we are pushing down, and we can see that it's going pretty much down, but we can come back to. So I will just wait before sending this trade into my Discord community. So US30, I would not look anymore just because of these 3 candles. So too much wicks and undecided. For example, here is Andrea order block that I was saying to you. Because of we tapped once, second time it's not gonna go as we want. So I'll just prepare my trade. Just a second. So I'll be placing a trade. So yeah, right now of this fair value gap we are inside, and right now I just want to see like rejection from this fair value gap, and because it's filled I want to go deep down, and maybe if it comes back, which on euro USD is especially different, it usually gets in a way something like, for example, it will get like down and then come back at entry, like same entry, just to tap it and then reverse again. It doesn't matter where, like just it will reverse. But right now I'm not seeing anything for any other trade, but right now we have this trade which it's pushing like pretty much above, maybe even too much. So we will stay to it. I will not get out soon. So let's see. Now we are rejecting. If we reject like big, for example, right now I'm looking at the broker account, it's basically rejecting a little bit more, but I want to see a big rejection just to go like under this fair value gap. It will be great, like perfect for our trade, but if it doesn't, it's totally okay. Trade wants to go up, let it be like that. And we can see here that we tapped here. We did not trade that trade, it was just example. And right now we are waiting for, I will just leave that trade, and we are waiting for this sweep. I want to see a rejection, not pushing above, but if it closes around here, it will just go up and we will lose. But I will stay to my strict to my plan and not do anything, just to watch a trade go. In 10 seconds, in 1 minute, it can change a lot. Like when I say a lot, it can quickly move up and down, and that's something that it's terrifying. But that's a great rejection. Now go more down, go. If you want to know better strategy, it's basically go above your monitor, and you need to blow the wind when you are selling, and if you are buying you need to blow under monitor so it will go up. I tried it many times and it works perfectly fine, even better than silver bullet strategy. Now let's see if we disrespect this push. Let's look other trades. But as I can see, there is nothing major for euro, maybe after 11, but 11 it's a long time to go. Right now I can see that's pushing, but let's see a volume. I want to see volume. Yeah, volume is not in our position, but maybe it will go with this one, this push down. That's why even if I see that candle is going up, I will just leave for my stop loss, because maybe it will return eventually. You don't know. But if you like place your trade and you move out on every single movement, it's not gonna work for you. gbpusd is looking like it's gonna go like hard down, so I just want to see that push, yeah, like that. I'm just joking, this is not real emotions, it's just acting. So we make money, guys. Thank you for watching. Let's go eat something, let's go eat a steak. Yeah, we made a lot of money. Yo, yo, yo. No, we didn't. Now it's a boring part where I was usually, when I was solo trading, I would usually just read a book while watching a trade. And now I'm speaking to you guys, but nobody is speaking back. That's so unlike. I don't like that. Come on, ask any questions. Like, don't watch the trade right now. Just ask a questions. Damn questions. I will buy a Lambo. Whoa, whoa. Better buy a house than a fucking Lambo. Like this trading community, I want to be like 100% honest and not to have like kids with some flashy Rolexes or something else. I just want to be like make people want money, but good money. For example, I don't want you to buy a Lambo. I want you to buy a house, apartment that you can rent and make more money. So this is an example of a trading and freedom. If you don't want to have that, you are out. So can you write down some books that help you trading? Yeah, for sure. One book, it's called, it's maybe not for a trading, but it's basically the best book that I read, and trust me when I say the best, it's the best. If you love history and history and psychology, if you love that, it will help you a lot, because psychology is #1 thing in trading. So 48 powers, sorry, 48 power, no, 48 laws. Its own creation. So this book, the 48 laws of power, this book is like #1 thing you need to read to basically. So here is one example that you want to learn from this book. One example was Louis X or Louis XI, I think, was, and basically what happened for his finance guy, which was young, he would became, because oldest finance guy was dead, so close to dead, and he would became the #1 finance guy. And the book speaks about the law of, for example, you don't stick out more than you should be sticking out. So for example, this finance guy asked Louis to prepare some party which was for his promotion, but eventually when they got there, Louis didn't like, because everyone were cheering him, not the Louis. So Louis got him killed even when he was youngest, finest guy, and just take the other one. The reason why I'm saying this, it's because the same thing happens with market. Even if you do see, you don't need to like flash your accounts or flash anything. If someone flashes account to you, basically it means that he's just wanting your money, and he don't want anything like to you. He don't want you to learn about trading. Okay, so I have you here. I need to read secrets of great coaching, and second one, it's ego is your enemy. So ego is your enemy. This book is next for a trading, and I will say this book is deadly. Like, you need to learn about this. So basically it says win your enemy easy. So third books is 12 rules of life. So it's Jordan B. Peterson. This was book that I read the most of the time, and I will read it again. I will not share this book to any of my friends. I will read that book and keep it with myself because it helped me a lot. If you want to learn about Forex books, basically Forex books are Japanese candlesticks. So this Japanese candlesticks book, it's gonna give you like, this Japanese candlestick is gonna give you fully, like from 0 to 10, you will know every possible candlesticks pattern, which is great for your trading journey. Even if you don't use them, you can just eventually know what they mean and how they behave. That's one. Second, it's gonna be Naked Forex. So book called Naked Forex. It's number one thing, again, after every psychological book, number one thing for trading is Naked Forex. Why? Because you will see everybody using this kind of shit. So for example, some new trader is gonna use this kind of shit, or this kind of shit, or this kind of shit, or this kind of shit. I mean, sorry, this is patterns. No, this kind of shit, or this kind of shit. You don't need that. Like, just leave that. If you want to, use that, just don't come to my Discord. Like, I'm begging you, just don't come to my Discord, because I will roast you immediately when you come inside. I was never using that indicators. Maybe one, and it was RSI, and just don't judge me on that. But do not use indicators. It's such a disgusting thing to use, because like, for example, you can see here, so this is perfect example what is happening with indicators. So lagging indicators will show last after price, because price is moving forward, it's not waiting for you. So this is why you don't want to use any indicators. Even if it's just a moving average, do not use it. Like, just leave it. And we can see rejection. We will see what happened next. But next book is gonna be Wizard Trading. So book, I don't know the real name, but yeah, Market Wizard. So I don't think it's, sorry, just a second. I need to find the book that I wrote. Unknown Market Wizard. Yeah, this book. I had it, but I gave it to my friend to read it, and he never gave me it back, and I'm right now sad because of that. But it's a great book. You need to read that one. So basically, that's the whole books that I read, and usually it's only psychological books. That's why I can say that that helped me a lot with psychological levels. For example, I became profitable more faster with psychological books. So now, for example, you will see if we get it, it will just come back at our entry and push down more. So usually that's how it goes. I think you have one more book. I'm just trying to remember the name. Oh my god. I don't know how it's called, but it's a great book. Let me just Google it and I will get back to you. Okay, so there are two books. For example, it's this one, Trading in the Zone, basically Mark Douglas. I would recommend everyone these books too. So this one first. This book is killer, same thing as these two. So these two will like change your thinking and change the way you look at charts. So feel free to use these two books. I see only push above, but we, as you can see, we are here at our entry point somewhere. But we will get entry same if we push above. I will be entering the gbpusd, but I forget to place a trade inside my Discord, which is awful of me. So we were at 1 RR, but we are going to fully stick to 2.6 RR. Now let's see a big rejection. How much points is that? 138. Yeah. As you can see, you have US30, but I don't know how much longer it's gonna go down, but there is nothing. Like no entry here after market structure shift. As you can see, no fair value gap, nothing. So disappointed. Which books, or do you even read books like in your free time? I mean, last year I read about 12 books, but I was just starting my year of reading, so I need to get discipline with it. So right now I will read like The Power of Habits again. I just finished it before like one day. And right now I'm starting my new book. It's about discipline. So 2 books in 1 month, it's great, and I have the full year to cover more. I love listening to you. Oh really? I didn't I didn't saw that message. I know. I love you. Did you really need to say anything? It will just be like normal, and right now it's pushing above. Nice. I was just taking my mouth shut, but it's all good. It's gonna be juicy anyway. I'm just waiting for that push. If doesn't push, like if we see a few candles down more, and if doesn't push under, I will just exit, and that's it. But we can watch this market structure shift happens here too. But I don't know on 4 hours that we can buy. Yeah, we can go for a buy because we rejected, and basically we are in a bullish. Usually I like to watch 4 hours, but here was my swing trade that I enter in a wrong account, and it would be like 3 point something K or 4Ks I think. But I exited because at closing time I was watching, sorry, yeah, at closing time I was watching the trade, and I saw my account, like just looking at account, and I'm trying to figure out where did I place my trade. The intermediate highs and low are both lower, so I don't think it will go up. So yeah, I mean we have some support like this if you look it, but it's kind of just going up and down. So I would like to see, so here is the support basically, but we broke support and came back inside down. So I'm looking to go more down from this level. I would love to go down, but yeah, but it's pushing right now. So I like because this candle closed black or red, how you want to call it. I don't want to be racist, but anyway, it's it's closed red, so we are good to go. even though the volume is not there like big enough, even though I think it should, but we will see. Nothing is promising in trading. Guys, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Second, if you are not inside my Discord, you can always join my Discord for free. Basically, it's in description, and you can join my live through Discord. I can join with you guys inside of Discord if you have questions or anything else, so feel free to join. Right now we are in a trade. I will just make a picture to my trading. So today we have many more people inside my live. Thank you guys for coming. I appreciate if you just leave a like, help me out. And basically that's it. You can leave a comment if you would like. So as we can see, the support is rejecting, but it's not rejecting as I wanted to reject. So I will be looking to reject more, like down. I don't like the way it's going up. So basically, as you can see, in few seconds the tick like just dropped down, even though it was like big. So you need to always wait to finish your trade by closing the body. Where it closes, but do not if we close like under this basically red candle, it would be like super great, but if it doesn't, it's still okay, it's still good, but I'm still looking to push more down than up, because if it closes under this red candle, it will show a momentum. For example, right now, if you see closes under this candle, it will like show big momentum. So you will see right now if it happens. If it goes a little bit above, it's okay, but I want to see like go more down. The reason is because body candles are strong enough to push momentum on that side. So this is basically the boring part where you need to watch trade. I mean, you don't need to watch trade. I usually don't. I just play games while I'm trading, and that's it. Nothing major, but right now I'm holding 30 days live, which I like the most, and I'm very happy to bring you guys knowledge of trading. If you want to have it, if you want to ask anything, you can freely ask. So feel free to join my Discord. You have link under. So under this live, you have this link. This is a free Discord link. You can join, and this is a paid link if you want to signals or if you want like the course and everything from it. But I'm helping the free people too, because I'm not judging. If somebody don't want to pay, I will help them gladly, like no biggie. Even some of the people here, I think Sesko or someone, it's basically great. Like they're here for free, and I'm just giving every knowledge that I have, or if they want to learn, I will give them knowledge to learn. It's good to put trade and just leave the desk and go do something else. That's right. So basically that's why I was usually reading a book or doing something. It's perfectly great to do, to learn that even if you put your stop loss, your TP, everything, just leave a desk, you will learn and you will like discipline yourself to be better and to watch better setups. But do not leave before you see news. So if you don't have a news, you will leave it the whole day. But if you have a news, do not leave it till 2:15 or 15 minutes before news. You should be out. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask. This is basically pure knowledge. Like I'm just giving you pure knowledge. You can freely ask any questions and I will give you a knowledge. It's nothing that you need to pay, nothing to worry about. I'm here just to give you knowledge. My goal is to make the best trading community there is, because there is no trading community where you can just come and ask questions. Everybody would need, you would need to pay for information to get something. It's such a bullshit. Like, why would I need to take money from someone just so I can explain him what order block is or something like that? But if you want to have something like booking calls, one-on-one mentoring or something, okay, I understand that you're taking someone's time. But if you are inside of Discord and you ask questions, I or somebody else will just give you an answer. So that's how usually should be. Am I the only one that does not like to watch TV? or your guys too. Because like when you watch TV, what good do you see on TV? For example, news. You will only like news are most deadliest thing to watch on TV. Basically, it will just fill up your head with nothing but disappointment or nothing but negativity or something like that would just kill your mind totally. Depression is gonna come easy watching TV. Like basically that's disgusting. I don't know for you guys, but I do not like TV. Yeah, I think that's the best thing you can do ever. Never watch TV news. Only TV that you can watch, for my opinion, if you want to be a trader, you can watch finance. TV show, not TV show, the finance, like when bank speaks, etc. But I don't see nobody like talking about Forex or anything else. Yeah, they have like some American news, but do you really believe Americans? Like, I'm not judging. I like them. Have few friends from there, but news from America are like pure evil. Same thing. Like you don't know what's real, what's not. So New York session like live, or you mean like New York session about trading? Live. I don't know. I can. Maybe it should be, but I don't know yet because I don't know what I have in my. I mean, my parents have something in a plan, so I will be helping them. But if there is nothing planned for like to help them, I will just hop on and I will tag you if I will be having live, or I will send you a message. So basically that's it. But I'm planning to, after this, like after this kind of 30 days of live trading London session, I would, for example, take 30 days more, but not live trading London session. I'll be going through New York session and just answering questions for people who are just starting to trade or want to ask any questions. So that's what I will be doing, or I will be doing something else, depends. I don't know, if somebody is gonna give me some clue to do, I will do it. For example, right now I am doing how you call it, video for a live strategy, like not live strategy, but this strategy that I'm using right now, and I will be doing like live examples and showing you guys how it's done. But these days I was just working about how to adjust the mic, how to do video editing and everything, just to improve more in my like videos and something else. But I stopped doing like on Instagram Reels, and that's basically it, because I don't want people to think this is entertainment, like funny jokes, etc. It's really basically about trading, realistic trading, and to learn how to trade. You can always join or follow me up, or follow me through Discord on my server. Be with me here live. You can ask questions and everything. We can do like inside my Discord like live Sunday recap, like we did both with like Andrea and I was on Sunday, me and Andrea, and if somebody else want, can come inside my Discord and be there with us, and I will be answering your questions and showing you my trades that I did took about that week. So right now we are pushing under, which is great to see. We did not like get a full great push above, we are pushing down and it's looking great. Oh, sorry. Now with this candle I want to see a close under here, under this one. So, or even if it closed under this body, it's okay. We are moving forward, like under these two, so we are moving forward, but eventually I want to see this under close. So yeah, so basically Andrea is making fun of me because I said the best strategy to best strategy to go with, it's basically go above your monitor and blow under your and you will make so much momentum and you will get to your TP. Or if you're looking for a buy, you go under your monitor and you blow till it gets to your TP. But remember, if you blow in the wrong direction, you will lose your money. So I just cut down my mic because I'm blowing, so please do not judge me. I just want to take profits and that's it, nothing else. What do you guys think? Uh, should I make a kick profile and start doing live there too, or should I just stick to YouTube and grow YouTube more? I do not like this close, but I will just leave it. What is kick? Yeah, basically. But kick is some like, it's platform same like YouTube, but it's more not same like YouTube, more like a Twitch, like a Twitch streaming platform. So I could go on there too and just share my content. let's see the rest. So we have here, okay, so basically we have market structure shift on GBP, so we can take that too. I will leave that, but we need to close above to first see it. And I like this because we got order block and we got fair value gap, which is great confirmation, but kind of displacement is shitty because we have this, but I don't know if we are gonna get something like that. So basically 4R. I will just watch this for now. For now I will just place one trade. I will not be trading two trades because it's small account and I do not want to risk more. And this is basically what you want to see, but it needs to close red, so please close it. And this is what a strategy to blow on your monitor means. So bear with me and start doing that, and you will be profitable in just 1 month, because you need your lungs to expand and be stronger to blow more. I'm just joking. So basically, yeah, this is what you want to see, but it needs to close like fully. And right now I will just go and grab something for it, but you can type in a chat because this will move like attraction to other people, so you can speak together. And do not hesitate to type, please. When I'm back, I want to see a few comments or something else. Speak with each other just so we can get attraction from other people. Thank you. I'm just gonna grab something for it. I'm back, but this is not what I like to see. This is bad boy. It's kind of bad right now, but we'll hold. So this is why I hate the most looking at volume. It's because these two candles are such a small volume for a buy, and here is how big they are. So give me one reason how the fuck can you go that big and deep when you don't have that kind of volume. And you can see this red candle have the biggest volume and it still did not push down. So disgusting. They are scamming me. Market makers are going for my stop loss. So basically we are reversing every time, like we are inside of this swing low and swing high point for no fucking reason. Sorry for cursing. And we just made like high from this high, which is, I don't know why, but, and as we can see, volume red is obviously winning, but let's see how this goes. If you have any questions, please ask. I will be just muted because I'm eating right now, so don't want you to listen my eating. I must say that I'm really happy to have you guys here. So yesterday I had 8 viewers maximum, and today, 8 views like in general from this from live yesterday, but today I have 18 views and 4 that are watching live right now, and thank you for that. But we need to get better. We need to get more audience. I don't know how, but I will try to pay someone to make marketing or something, and just to bring more people. This is inversion, fair value gap is strong. Where do you see that inversion fair value gap? Do you think this one or this one, like here? I mean, we had before fair value like inversion, but it was done because we pushed down, then come back. As you can see, we had resistance here, multiple weeks resistance, and then pushing down. Here I think just pushed up to take liquidity, but it's kind of pushing up again for some reason, but I will just watch what happens. So the first big one, yeah, so that this was like, okay, sorry, this is support that I met, but this one it's basically entry, but still it's holding on. And second one, it's over because it's have multiple weeks. Now we are just waiting to go down or push above. I cannot see a clear decision here where to go, but it's looking ugly here. It's all full of noise, nothing clear to see. But if we push down more, we touch this order block first time, and now we touched one, I would say one, two, three times more. So next push, if it goes down right now, if it goes down, it will just go under this everything, and I want that. So we will see for now. I'll be right back. I need some advice. So I'm planning to get StarLab table. Not that, what, or it's a, how you call it? No, it's a lab. I will just place lab. Secret lab. I just want to get this table and I need opinion from people, so please write down in a comment here in the chat or in a comment just to let me know if it's good or not. And basically because of this I want to get that, because it's such a good thing to have a standing desk. I right now don't have that, but still I want it, and it's great for cable management. So we are now here. So now let's see a push. Oh, I'm outside of web. If you want to ask questions, feel free to ask, and if you want you can join my Discord for free and you can learn by me, or you can speak with other traders and you can learn everything together. I can say that trading community somewhere, anywhere, it doesn't matter where, it can help you more than just watching some YouTube, I don't know, YouTube guru or someone who is, I don't know, faking everything. You can learn more from this guy in Discord community than from someone else like speaking, something like that. But I want to have like biggest trading community for 2025, and they can learn how to invest their money, not just buying cars and doing that shit. Yes, you can, but I'm just saying that it's better to have stability. When you, for example, buy an apartment, you can just rent it out and you will making like cash flow. So that's how I did it, same thing, and it worked pretty well. Right now, even if I don't trade, I can live happily after. So I want you to learn same thing. So this is what blowing your monitor is all about. You get here, you can see that I'm managing everything. I just cut the mic and just blow my monitor, and that's it. Yeah, if of course it's gonna go down. I'm just blowing my monitor to go down, like even more. So why are you waiting? Just start blowing. We can together push it down to our TP. Like, it's not that a big of a deal. I know it's a big of a deal if somebody sees you like doing that, but don't remember, it's all about money. Nobody cares. I'm just joking. Don't do that. Yeah, it goes down pretty well, and it's cool. So I was waiting for that push because of this. Now blow it to go up. Hey, I will kick you out because that's unfair. You cannot be against me. It's not fair. First, you need to take this TP. Then you can blow up. So I hope you like watching my video. Now I will. The technique is not working. Is the what the fuck? It is. Look at this. I'm blowing it. It goes down to my TP. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. It's been a pleasure. Now I will go and blow up. I'm just this sounds so wrong. I will not saying that again. But eventually you can see. Hey, if trust me, if this go up, I will come to your house and I will beat the shit out of you. Just to let you know. Now it's gonna go down. There is nothing else to do. Thank you all for coming. I'm just joking. I will be sticking around more. It's not a big of deal. Let's just do what we are supposed to do. So we are right now together. I'm risking 10%, which is on 500. It's $50, and basically that's it. As you can see here, you can see that USD or US dollar index is pushing up, and you can see that euro is pushing down, and now it's pushing down, now it's pushing up. So you can see correlation. Yeah, Sesko, if you blow down, basically together I and you two and somebody else inside, we can just blow up and it can go down. So I don't know what are you waiting for. Motherfucker, you're my cousin and you do that. So you're such a bullshit of a kid. I can believe that you are going against me. But I will prove you that this is gonna go down because I will fart above my PC. So it's gonna go stronger down. You motherfucking... Okay, you don't need to play Nautilus no more. But you can play Leona then. Yesterday I had so bad play with somebody who played Nautilus. It was such a bad play. He was like, I was on level 1 Lucian and he was Nautilus for some reason, I don't know why. And all he did was, they had second level and they had like second item and sorry, second level, and it's like not full item but just some sword or something. And he wanted to fight, he just killed them and he died. Sure, today we smoke them. Can we play at night too? Come on, just go down. Sesko, you're not blowing. Sesko. Yeah, sorry, I was eating, but yeah, put the break even. I forgot to place, not place, to send break even. So when you see something like this, and if it's gonna reverse, you just put break even to defend yourself. And basically, if you want, you can exit, but I leave it till the end because that's my trading plan. So today we got ourselves a new member. He just joined through Whoop, but he didn't get verified. So guys, if you want to come into my Discord, you can see that here I put in a welcome because most of the people are here. And this boy, how you want to call it, he came into Discord, but he must get verified as everyone because Kiko have said fake accounts. We added a bot for verification. It means that your verification is working, and you will see the rest of, for example, you can see that here we got ourselves 25 users and it was like immediately. So it was something like, I don't know, bot or something else, but I don't like that. I want real people, real attraction, and a real, how you call it, I forgot words. So we have here market structure shift. I will not be taking, but I will be looking to see how it goes. and basically it will be like this, but it's small RR, so but it's still, I think, a good trade. I will just leave it like this. And Sesco, again, you are not blowing down. Sesco, you are not blowing down. Maybe because your chest and lungs are small, so it cannot go down. So right now we are on break even, so I'll just put like this. Because why I didn't put on this body, it's because resting liquidity is always above a wick and you wanted to get that liquidity. For example, we have here go up, go down, go up, and we have here go down, go up, and go down. So why we got here, and you can see that we had support here, and right now we are doing this. So basically this is same support was here, but I need to tap down more because that's my Asian range. But that's another story, that's a different strategy. The reason why I didn't place on body, because body doesn't count as weak. So if we say this is higher high, it is, because when you move on 1 minute, you can see that candlestick was here and it's basically on higher high, and wick is telling always history of your price, and body is telling the story what's happening right now. So I will just move this order block here because we broke it, and I will be placing this FVG here. Do you understand now? Because week, okay, some people are doing strategy on week, etc., but I'm not doing, because week usually tells only the For example, wicks only tell history of the candle, where the price was before, and right now we can see that body is showing you direction where it's going to go. For example, here you can see that we are always closing above previous. Depends in which situation and which strategy you are using, but you can always put TP on end of the week because that was the last low. But you can see here we were going down, then we broke up, then we are moving up, then we broke again up, we close above body. So this is only looking for a body, no wicks. We closed above, then push down, again closed above, 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 and we are pushing above. So while we are pushing always above, always pushing above, that means we are in bullish momentum. But right now you can see that we went this down, then we pushed up, we closed above but didn't close above this one, and then we go down, we close down, and then we didn't go above this one. Then we again go down, go up. This is just a noise, so I will not explain this. But for example, here we can saw that we close down strong, and now pushing more strong down. So this is kind of example how body works. Wicks are usually used for a support, so from the wick of bottom wick till the body, it's basically like support. But there is a much bigger ways how to use support, from where to look at it, etc., and so many on. So but we can see that we have here basically support and resistance. So from here we can see that we have support, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this will be 9, but we close under, so we're gonna push more. I think we need to close under, but I need to adjust like this. But even if we close under, it's okay because fair value gap is above, and we did not hit yet 50% of fair value gap. So let's see. This is basically risk-free trade, so there is nothing to worry about. And as you can see, Sesco is starting to blow our monitor off and blowing our price to TP. I will be right back. Come on, for fuck's sake. The only Nautilus that can push this price is Sesko. He's the best Nautilus player. I think he was Grandmaster or something like that. But right now he's pushing strongly and it's gonna go strong down, as you can see. Yeah, but we want to first see price go down. Oh, so you are waking up. Okay, sorry, I will not get in your way. So guys, I just want to have one question from you. Like, really good answer. What do you think about summer, so we can do all together some, I don't know, live streaming outside in the open with laptops, and just to show that it's basically easy to make money. We can do it like in, or something, like we can just come to my house and I'll be here and that's it. After that we will just, I don't know, have fun together. Sure, I'm down too. So we will manage something. We can all come here and just have a fun few days, 1 week or something. I'm down. Sesko, start pushing down, for fuck's sake. Yeah, I will just advise you to not dream that kind of thing, because you will eventually go into depression. And this is why Sesko is getting banned inside of Discord, because he fucked up the whole situation here, and I will not be forgiving to him. So say bye to everyone, Sesko. You're not coming again here. Come on, just push down. Sesko, this is what you did to my trade. It was perfectly fine. Everything worked real well. And you are now... Oh. It is what it is. Let's see, 4 hour. It's gonna be 11. Yeah, it's 11. That's why. So it's 11. That's why the candlestick is pushing up, because of this news. Little news. Italian trade balance, but it's all good. We just need to close before this blue line. Yep. Okay. Yeah. Unfortunately, you will make less money anyway. You placed your TP on on body candle. I know you don't, but it is what it is. I will kick you next time when you enter this trade. This live trading session. This is just because you jinx it. I will move it from break even. The reason why, it's because we have order block right on break even, and it's gonna hit our order block. But I will just move a little bit up. Even if it's stop loss, it's all good. The reason is because of this order block. But I'm exactly on this candle, so sorry, I will just place it like here. just because of this order block. That's why I left the trade going, because it was on break even. I do not mind losing, because we managed to get 1 RR before, so it will be just 0 win rate for the week. And sorry, 10% basically, because I am risking 10%, but I will see gbpusd too. We need to break this above to even have some movement. So I will just exit my trade, because I don't want to overtrade. I made mistake placing this trade, but anyway, I placed second trade, but I just got out immediately with some profit of $1. But for today, we have 0.9 profit, but we will see. We got break even stage, even though it was mistake on eurusd to place break even. That's why I made mistake, but anyway, let's just leave it like that. This is it for today, guys. Basically, I will leave a trade just to see where it's gonna take us, because I do not think it's gonna go down anymore. Maybe it's gonna go, but from this OB. But I am annoyed because we were here on 2 RR and we could take, but all good. It's part of the trading. As for example, we have been here for 3 hours and so, and basically that's it. This is what trading it is. This is nothing new, nothing abnormal or something else. This is part of trading and live trading session. So I will just see where it take us. My mistake was that I put on break even, but it's all good, because usually I do not put break even on eurusd. As I said, it comes back to entry and then tap out, but it's okay that I placed break even, because here you can see that we just consolidate on stop, and I do not want, after that push back up, I did not want to be here anymore. So it's okay that I placed break even stage, because I didn't know if it's gonna hold or if it's not gonna hold. you never know. But here we have few order blocks, so 1, let's go 2, and we have 1 fair value gap here, we have second fair value gap here, we have third fair value gap here. So basically this is the whole resistance they need to go through for trade to go down. So no, thank you. I would just take break-even stage, it's better. So guys, if you have any questions right now, you can ask, and I will be moving on. If you have any questions about some candlestick strategy or something else, feel free to ask. I will just take a screenshot of this and I will place inside of my, just a second, Notion. I feel great. This is like great trading day. Euro USD. So it was basically a break even, no bias. No, I would not place break even because it was a little bit of, how you call it, little bit of profit, so I cannot place on break even. It was just boring. And now it's going good way. So fair value gap, and I will leave it like that. We have 0.9. Everything is documented. Do not say, even if it's 0.01, you document everything, because that counts. So we go here, we choose a file, then we take screenshot too, and we move it to personal. I mean, not personal, it's basically this account, it's road to 100. So we are on 500, 50, 68, and that's it. So just a second. Does it count? It's not counting, I don't know why. Maybe I need to restart it. Win. So basically it's not counting week. I don't know why it's not counting. I will just watch about, maybe it's something from here just to see what's happening. Yeah, I will see what's happening, but anyway, that's it for today, guys. If you don't have any questions, so if you have put TP and end of body, we would have profit. Yeah, you can take your profits, but I'm strict to my plan, and you can do whatever you want, but I'm strict to it. So I do not trade based off emotions or something else. I trade only mechanical trading, which is basically how it writes, that's how I leave it. If it's saying that I should be leaving my TP at end of the body, I would leave TP on end of the body, If it's not showing a TP on end of the body, that's it basically. So basically that's it for today. Thank you for sticking out to the stream. As I can see, I got one more followers for today. Thank you. I appreciate it, and let's just build the best community there is. After that, you can see that here we have everything. So basically I will just place break even on Fortune. And reason because of that is, just a second to tag Sesco. Sesco was not just a second, blowing enough. Kick him, moderators. Joke. So thank you guys for watching, and unfortunately we got ourselves a break even. I just leave here break even for today, euro USD. I just leave here so people know if we got it or not. And basically, again, thank you all for coming, staying. Tomorrow at the same time we have same live, and let's just get together. So Sesco just typed in, and if somebody comments on this live stream to kick Sesco, I will gladly kick him out. Just because of him I lost this trade, and that's why I'm gonna kick him. If you're saying in comments to kick him, I will kick him. So for now, thank you for staying here, and let's just move on with the day. I'll go play League of Legends just to chill, and see you there. If you want to play League of Legends too, come back to my come back to my Discord and we can play it together. So thank you guys again. Bye. See ya.